Now let us solve this question. Ada draws the graphs of y equals x squared minus x minus 2 and y equals 2x minus 1 on the same axis. Which of these equations is she solving? Now here's the equation. Now take note that this is a curve and this is a straight line graph. Now to that point, since it will be on the same axis, is the equation she is solving will be an intercept of the curve and the straight line. Now which implies that x squared minus x minus 2 will be equals to 2x minus 1. Now let us collect like term here. We have x squared now minus x, bringing negative positive 2x to the left hand side. You have 2x, then minus 2, then plus 1 equals 0. Okay, to this end we have x squared minus 3x, then minus 1 equals 0, because negative x minus 2x will give us minus 3x, and negative 2 plus 1 will give us negative 1. To that end, B is the right answer. Alright, thank you and God bless you.